Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a professional Shopify store from start to finish. Whether you're starting an online business or looking to upgrade your existing store, this video will guide you through every step of the process. I'll be showing you how to set up your store, customize the design, add products, and optimize everything for success. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Shopify store that's ready to sell. Let's get started. To get started, I opened my browser and entered the following link, bit.ly/shopify, which you can also find in the description below this video. This took me to the Shopify sign-up page, where I entered my email address and clicked on Start Free Trial. Next, a series of questions appeared. For the first one, I selected I'm just starting and hit Next, and then I choose an online store and proceeded by clicking Next again. After that, I selected 3 product types: digital products, drop shipping, and products I buy or make myself. Once done, I clicked Next when prompted with Where will your business be located? I selected the United States, then clicked Next again. The next screen was for account creation. I clicked on Sign up with email, created a password, and then clicked Create Shopify account. After a short wait, my Shopify store was successfully created. Once my store was set up, I received an email from Shopify to confirm my email address. I headed over to my Gmail inbox, found the email, and clicked on the Confirm Email button. This completed the email verification process. Now it was time to choose a plan to fully activate my store. Shopify offers a great deal where the first month is just $1. I clicked Select a Plan and opted for the basic plan, which is perfect for new stores. To finalize my plan selection, I entered my payment details. This included my full name, credit card information, and zip code. Shopify also offers the option to pay via PayPal if you prefer. After filling out the required details, I clicked Subscribe. Shortly after, I received a confirmation message stating, "You've successfully subscribed." The final step involved entering my business address details. Once completed, I clicked Save Business Address to finish setting up my account. Since my store is focused on selling shoes, I created 3 main collections: men, women, and kids. To do this, I navigated to Collections and clicked on Create Collection. I named the first collection Men and clicked Save. After that, I created 2 more collections by clicking Create Another Collection, naming one Women and the other Kids, and saved them. Next, I added products to my store. I went to Products and clicked Add Product. For the first product, I entered the title Premium Suede Dress for Men. In the description section, I used Shopify's AI tool to generate a product description. I typed, "Create a product description for stylish and comfortable men's shoes," and the AI generated the description for me. In the media section, I uploaded product images from my computer. You can select a main image by dragging and dropping it to the first position. Then, I set the price and compare at price. For variants, I added color and selected 3 colors: white, black, and beige. I also added a second variant for shoe size. selecting S, M, L. Shopify allows you to set a price for each variant, so I adjusted the prices for each size and color. After that, I assigned specific images for each color variant, such as one for the white variant, another for black, and finally one for beige. I also made the product available by selecting the Available option. You can specify the available stock for each product variant in the Available section, ensuring that the quantity is accurately adjusted based on each variant's availability. Lastly, I assigned the product to the Men collection and click Save to create the product. I previewed the product to ensure everything looked good. I repeated this process to add shoes for women and kids. Once my products were added, I went to the Themes section to remove the store password and make it accessible to everyone. I scrolled down and clicked Remove Password. Next, I installed a theme for my store. I clicked on Visit Theme Store, and to filter for free themes, I clicked on Free. I chose the Trade theme to Try theme. After a brief wait, the theme was installed, and I clicked Publish to make it live. The confirmation message Theme Published appeared, and I clicked View Your Store to see how the new theme looked. To customize the theme, I clicked on Customize. Here, you'll see the home page layout on the right and the theme editor options on the left. Here, you can easily add any section you want by simply clicking on Add Section and adding it effortlessly. First, I removed the featured collections, I also deleted the collection list and the multi-column section. I'm going to delete the features collection and then scroll to the top to change the header color. I'll click on Header, and at the bottom in the Color Scheme section, I'll click Change. I will select Scheme 3, and you can choose any color you like. After that, I will click Save to apply the changes. Next, I customize the announcement bar by adding a custom message to appear at the top of the store. We will now change the image banner. First, we'll click on Image Banner, then click Select Image. After that, we will choose the banner image that will appear on the store's homepage. We will select it from the computer. Next, we'll scroll down to add an effect to the banner image. We will choose the Ambient Movement effect. After that, click on Save to save the changes. Next, we will change the description text. We will use AI to generate the text. Next, we will write the heading that will appear in the cover. After that, we will change the buttons. You have the freedom to choose the link for the button, but personally, I prefer to set it to all products. For the multi-column section, I decided to display logos of brands associated with the store. I kept 3 columns and uploaded logos for each. To do this, I clicked Select Image and chose the logo images from my files. I repeated this process for each logo. I also duplicated the image banner section to create a second banner with a different image. Now, we'll go back and head to the cloned image banner. We'll scroll down to the Image Behavior section and add the Zoom in on scroll effect. After that, scroll up a little and enable the Show Container on Desktop option. Next, we'll change the image and set a background image for the product by clicking Remove Image, then Select Image, and choosing a background image. After uploading the image, change the title to whatever you want. Then, move to the buttons and change the link to all products. Finally, move the image banner below the rich text section. Now, we will create a new section. We'll scroll down and click on Add Section, then select Collection List. We'll click on the first collection, press Select Collection, and choose Men as the first one. Then, click Select. After that, we'll go back and select the rest for Women and Kids. Now, we will click Save and check how the online store looks on mobile. It now looks beautiful and professional. The next step is to move the collection list and place it under the image banner. You will then see how it looks on desktop, and it will look amazing. The next phase is to go to multi-column. Change the heading to Our Features. Scroll down to the color scheme and choose Scheme 1. Then, I will limit it to 3 columns, so I will delete the last one. I will change the first column and use AI to generate the heading text. I'll select the first one. For the description, I will also use AI to generate the text. Click Generate and choose the appropriate text. I'll do the same for the other columns. Next, we will add an FAQ section to the online store. We'll click on Add section, then select Collapsible Content. We will change the heading to Frequently Asked Questions. After that, we'll go back and move to the first collapsible row. We'll head to google.com and search for ChatGPT to help generate frequently asked questions related to orders, payments, tracking, and communication. We'll copy a question, go back to the store, paste it in the heading, and place the answer in the row content. We'll repeat the same steps for the other questions. We will now add a new section. Click on Add Section and select Email Sign-up. After that, click Save. Next, click on Quick Links and rename it to Helpful Links to make it clearer for visitors. Then, click Save to apply the changes. We've now finished editing the home page, and as you can see, it looks more professional and visually appealing on both desktops and mobile devices. The next step is to create our store logo. Click on Theme Settings, then open a new tab and search for google.com. Look for Photopea, click Start using Photopea, and create a new project with dimensions 1090 for width and 299 for height. Set the background to transparent and click Create. Next, return to ChatGPT and ask for suggestions for shoe store names. Choose a suitable name. In this case, I'll pick Shoe Haven. Copy the name, go back to Photopea, and create a new text layer. Paste the name, increase the size, and change the font to Vega. Then, go to File, select Export As, and save the logo as a PNG. Once downloaded, move the logo to your desktop files. Return to the store, click Select Image, and upload the logo you designed. After that, click Done, and adjust the desktop logo width so it fits well on the computer. Now, as you can see, the store looks even more professional on mobile devices. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. We've finished updating the home page and will now move to customizing the product page. First, select Products and choose Default Products. This is the product page layout. Click on Sections and scroll down to remove the quick order list. Then, scroll up and click Add Block to add the variant picker, quantity selector, and buy buttons. Arrange them with the variant picker under the price, quantity selector below it, and buy buttons last. As you can see, the product page is now neatly organized. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Now that we've finished updating the product page, we'll move on by clicking Exit and navigating to Settings. Next, click on My Store to add your store name in the Store Name field. I'll go back to ChatGPT to get a more professional store name. After choosing the name, I'll paste it into Store Name and click Save. Next, we'll change the store currency. The current currency is set to USD, meaning all products will be displayed in USD. To sell internationally, we need to enable global markets. Click Markets, then International, choose Active, and save the changes. The next step is adding a domain. Go to Domains and click Buy New Domain. Enter your desired domain, such as shoehaven.com. If it's unavailable, add a word like store. Once available, the domain costs $16 per year. Click Buy Domain. Scroll down and confirm by pressing Buy Domain again. Congratulations! We've successfully purchased the domain. Now, we need to verify the email address associated with the domain. This step is crucial. Head over to Gmail, open the confirmation email, scroll down, and click on the confirmation link. Then, scroll down and click Verify Information. The domain has been successfully verified. Now, we'll return to the online store and wait between 15 minutes to 2 hours for the domain to be active globally. After some time, we will now test the website to see if it's working. Copy the website link, open a new window, and paste the URL. As you can see, the site is live, and the SSL certificate is activated. The website looks professional, and the product page functions well, including the variants. Let's test the store on mobile devices. Everything is working perfectly. Now, we'll return to the store and proceed to the next step, enabling PayPal for payments. Click on Payments, scroll down to Setup and Complete, and click Complete Setup. You'll be redirected to the PayPal website. Enter your PayPal email, click Next, then input your password and log in. After that, click Continue. PayPal will send a confirmation code. Once confirmed, PayPal will be successfully linked to your store. Finally, click back to Shopify. PayPal has been successfully linked to the store. The next step is to create the necessary pages and add them to the store. Go to Policies, click on Return and Refund Policy, then Insert Template to automatically generate the page. Click Publish. Repeat the same process for the other pages. Once generated, exit and go to Online Store. Then, Navigation. Click on Footer menu. Delete the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information page, then click Add Menu Item. Select Policies, then Privacy Policy, and click Add. Make the privacy policy the first item and add the other pages in the same way. After adding all of the pages, click Save Menu. Next, go to the main menu. Delete Catalog and add the collections for men, women, and kids. Lastly, move Contact to the bottom and click Save Menu. In conclusion, you've successfully learned how to set up a complete Shopify store from start to finish. From selecting your domain and customizing the homepage and product pages to integrating payment methods like PayPal and adding important policies, you've mastered all the key steps. With the store now live and fully operational, you're ready to manage your online business and begin selling to customers worldwide. Congratulations on completing the process, and best of luck with your new Shopify store.